Welcome to Lesson 3.3. In this lesson, you'll learn how to customize your Tauri app window. We'll explore window configuration options like size, title, and decorations. You'll also learn how to create frameless windows and build a custom title bar. The tauri.conf.json file is where you configure your app's windows. Let's open it and look at the app.windows section, where all window settings are defined. Here you can set the window title, width, height, and whether the window is resizable. You can also configure min width, min height, max width, and max height to constrain window sizing. The decorations property controls the native title bar and window frame. Setting it to false creates a borderless window. The always on top property keeps your window above all other windows. To create a frameless window, we set decorations to false in our window config. This removes the native title bar and window borders, giving you full control over the app's appearance. With a frameless window, you'll need to implement your own close, minimize, and maximize buttons. You'll also need to add a drag region so users can move the window around. For our custom title bar, we create a div with a drag region that allows window dragging. The data-tauri-drag-region attribute tells Tauri that this element should be draggable. We add close, minimize, and maximize buttons that call Tauri's window API. The getCurrentWindow function from tauri.window provides methods like close, minimize, and toggle maximize to control the window. Here's our Tauri window in action. The window displays our app with its configured dimensions. You can resize the window and the app responds accordingly. This is the foundation for building polished desktop applications. Excellent! You've learned how to customize your Tauri window. You now know how to configure window properties, create frameless windows, and build custom title bars with drag regions. In the next lesson, we'll explore Tauri's event system for real-time communication.